To start, I'm going to take off the wheel. If you have a hubcap and the little lug nut caps, go ahead and take those off with a 19mm. If not, just go ahead and take off the lug nuts with a 19mm. Remove the wheel. Now with the wheel off, I'm going to start by removing this nut and bolt down here. Use a 21mm wrench on the nut side. I'm going to attempt to break the bolt side free. Sometimes that doesn't work and you have to remove the nut first, but I'll give this a shot. Well, looks like it worked. This arm is now unbolted from the knuckle, and if you follow it this way, that's where it's bolted to the subframe. 18mm socket on the nut side and 18 wrench on the bolt side. See if this breaks free in here. Yeah, that's locked up tight. Oftentimes these bolts are seized in here, so we'll have to break it free. I'm using a breaker bar. Just gonna try and spin it. Oh, there we go, it's breaking free. That's good. If it doesn't break free for you, you can try to use some heat. Sometimes that does the trick. Just be careful because the fuel tank is right here. Just work it back and forth to hopefully get it to break free a little more. Switch to a long ratchet. That way I can just keep twisting it instead of going back and forth. Now that it's finally broken free. All right, that's perfect. Now I can grab a hammer and drive this bolt out. There you go. Now you can slide your control arm out. There it is. Take the new arm, slide it into position. This bolt is smaller than this one, and so are the bushings. So if it doesn't fit in here, it's probably because you have it backwards. There we go. Slide the bolt through. Put this washer on. It only goes on one way. As you can notice, I put a bunch of anti-seize on. That way the issue of it seizing doesn't happen in the future. Start the nut on, snug it up. I won't tighten it fully yet, but I want to get it close. Push the arm all the way up and tighten it. Now once you've positioned this bolt to adjust the alignment approximately where it was before, obviously no matter what, you'll still need an alignment. But once you've done that, let's tighten up the bolt fully. And I'm just going to use my long ratchet here to make sure that it is nice and tight. Okay. There we go. That's pretty tight. Just do your best to make sure it's tight. Let's put this outer bolt in, line everything up. Snug it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. I'm just going to double check it by hand here. Okay, let's get the wheel back on. Start on all 5 of your lug nuts, bottom them out, and torque them to 100 foot-pounds. And then of course, if you have a hubcap, you would put that on after. Mine's missing, but basically has little plastic 19mm caps. You can just screw it onto the lug nuts.